Any kind of power we need, we'll bring a generator for it. We do an 811 dig alert call. You know, they could see that this side was shut off, but they couldn't quite verify that one. Edison couldn't give us in writing, you know, for sure that it's been disconnected. We did a little more due diligence, had an electrician come out and just verify, double check to make sure all the power is disconnected before we start. Just being extra cautious, you know, just to make sure all utilities are disconnected. We want everything off. The only thing we would ever want on would be like water, if we could put a riser in. Everything else is, we would bring our own generator if we need it. You don't really need it, like all this material, you can see like the excavator can remove all this. The only thing, like the metal, so we'd bring like a cutting torch to cut it up to be able to load that out.